Today we are going to discuss about how the medicine works in our body. Okay. If we have a fever, if you have headache, okay, at that time what we take pills, okay, and when we swallow that pills, then how does it know to which part of our body needs to attend? How does it tracks the pen? These all things we are going to discuss over here today. Okay, when we swallow that tablet, it goes into our stomach. Okay, and when it reach in that stomach, that medicine digest in the stomach and absorb into the bloodstream. Okay, and once when it gets into the blood, the medicine travels throughout whole of our body to search what? To search the target. Okay. Now see, if we have pain in our hand, okay, so in that hand, if we have pain, that region secrete some chemicals, okay, and these chemicals attracts that what? Medicine particles. Okay, so maximum medicine particles attracts towards that chemicals that secretes by that painful area. Okay, so once he gets maximum amount of medicine towards that painful region, we feel, then afterwards we feel better. Okay, whole process, our liver is also play very important role. Okay, and this liver is also called as our second brain of our body. We know the pills contains chemicals also, and that chemicals which is very harmful for our body. Okay, so such type of pill when we take, then it mix with, we learn already, it mix with whatever in our blood. Okay, and that blood when pass through that blood which contain medicine, when it passes through and reach towards the liver, then that liver get some signals. Okay, so he start filtrating that blood. Okay, he start to separate that toxins and to separate that chemicals from the blood. Okay, and when this process is complete, then he allowed to pass throughout our body. Okay, so so just imagine, if what would happen, just imagine what would happen if we don't have such important part of liver. What would happen? Type of harmful chemicals get stored in our body, and after some time of period our life cycle would be spoiled. Okay, ही इम्पॉर्टंट इन्फॉर्मेशन तुम्हाला कशी वाटली हे कमेंट्समध्ये सांगा, आणि आपल्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा.